morning, everybody. My dear students, good morning. Uh, Welcome to online class. In the previous session, we learned some more cases about personality development. In the pattern of the personality development, the second lesson also is giving some information about the personalities. What the personalities in first lesson? Yes, Nick. Nick is a great personality because he showed positive attitude even though he did not have arms and legs. As well as he changed his life as a motivational speaker and he produces a lot of inspiration to the people. The people are also inspired by his speeches and they constructed their lives. And today, especially, the group of people also are before us. Among those ones, here we have Abraham Lincoln, Lady Forrest, and Wright brothers, Colonial Sanders, Walt Disney, Thomas Alva Edison, Henry Ford. These characters are given according to our lesson. See, what is the lesson? In the second or else the first foremost lesson, Nick also sometimes depressed because he was humiliated from his friends, the neighbors, and so many people. When he saw the other people as they have arms and legs, he compared his life towards the other ones. They had legs and arms, they had done many things, but here he had such a thoughts in his mind, that's why he depressed. And now, so many great personalities also were given according to the second lesson. The second lesson title is Every Success Story is also a story of great failures. What is the lesson title? Every success story is also a great story of great failures. Okay, let us see. Put the title according to this one. What is the title? Every success story. Every success story is also a story of great failures. What is that one? Failures. See, it is our lesson title. So, let us see the title of the explanation here. Every success. Every person needs this success, but they wouldn't see the failures. They are not able to see the failures. They are not willing to see failures. Are you like success or a failure? You also like only success. But what the writer says, let us see. What did writer say? Let us see through this lesson. Here, first paragraph, I am reading the first paragraph. According to the first paragraph, what he said, let us see. Failure is the highway to success. Failure is highway to success. Tom Watson Sr. said, if you wanted to succeed, double your failure rate. Tom Watson, who said that this every success story is also a story of great failures. According to this one, Tom Watson also said, senior, he is a senior. Senior means, senior is called, he had a seniority in particular concept, and he explained so many things. He had some experienced person is called a senior. That's why Tom Watson said something about the success and failures. What did he say? For this one, according to Tom Watson, if you wanted to succeed your success, if you wanted to succeed your win, if you wanted to succeed your victory, then you should double your failure rate. You should double your failure rate. What is the meaning of the double your failure rate? Double failure rate is called, if you made mistake, realize your mistake. You should learn something, and after that you should arrange that failure as a stepping stone. Through that one only you make that failure as a double. If you increase your failure, automatically you also increase your success level. Understand this one. As well as here, the quotation which is given by Tom Watson, he said simply, if anyone wants to get the success, they must get the failure once or twice. Then it is possible to know the value of the success. For example, if you get the success easily, then what happened? You won't concentrate anything on the success. Everything is possible, everything is common, like that you will find. That's it. Here, the first beginning sentence said, here, success is a highway. Highway is called exact way. Exact way, exact key. If you want to get the success, surely the failure should be with you. Then it is possible to get the success. Like that is said. And according to this one, here, if you study history, if you go through history, in the history there is one person. That person information is known to us here. What are those ones? You will find that all stories of success are also stories of great failures, but people don't see the failures. They only see one side of the picture, and they say that person got lucky. He must have been at the right place at the right time. Let me share someone's life history with you. This was a man who failed in business at the age of 21, was defeated in a legislative race at age 22, failed again in business at age 24, overcame the death of his sweetheart at age 26, had a nervous breakdown at age 27, lost a congressional race at age 34, lost a senatorial race at age 45, failed in an effort to become vice president of America at age 47, lost a senatorial race at age 49, and was elected president of the United States at age 52. This man was Abraham Lincoln. Would you call him a failure? He would have quit, but to Lincoln, defeat was a detour and not a dead end. It is a paragraph. Let's see some points from this paragraph. Here, Tom Watson, or else the writer says, here the writer also interfere with the historical thing. He also go through the many books and he explained some more things. He also said some other matters about the failures. If you study history, if you go through the history, historical aspects, historical things, historical books, historical material, historical magazines, then you will find the all stories of success are also stories of great failures. You may understand some of them matter. What the matter those are? If you want to search any more information about the success, compulsory those people who are willing to get the information about the success, those people also gather the information about the failures. Surely, exactly, they also get this one. But if any person saw the people as a successful people, the person says some other matter about the success. One said matter. People don't see the failures. The people do not see the failures. The people eagerly waited for the success only. They only see one side of the picture. For example, here, if you have one coin, in that coin, here, so here one side, so students, here the people are willing to give the chance for seeing the only one side of the coin. For example, say the coin is made as two sides. See, one side head, the second side is toss. So the coin is made as a two sides. It is a truss, it is a head. So see, the people see only one side. One side is called maybe a head or the truss. Understand this. That means, according to the lesson, the writer says about the people do not see the other side. Maybe a head, they did not see the head. Maybe a truss, they did not see the truss. Understand this one. So, the people see only failures or the people see only success. If the people so they interested to see the only success, they wouldn't see the failures. Understand this one. And they refer to here the people who are surviving along with us, those ones. They only see one side of the picture. What did they see to the coin? Picture. One side of the picture. And they say that person got lucky, and they said easy. If any person succeeded the success in their lives, they also said wonderfully as a lucky fellow. What is the percentage of the lucky? Understand this one. The people did not see the hard work, the people did not see the effort of that person, the people did not see other what amount of the effort is shown to them, shown to their lives. But they consider everything as a lucky. If your father got the victory, you and your neighbor and your relatives, each and every person also said, he is a lucky fellow. That's why he got success. Like that they said. It is one side of the picture. But other side, they put the full effort to get the victory. But they wouldn't see the effort now. How much time they spent, how much effort they put on the success, how to get the success, what type of the steps they have taken. They wouldn't mind anything. The people wouldn't mind these all type of the things. But they see only one side of the picture. They also consider the successful person as a lucky fellow. This is. And he must have been, and they also consider, and they said here, he must have been, who is he here? Successful person. Successful person is a he. Here must have been at the right place at the right time. They also quoted. They also quoted. What did they have given the quotation? What quotation is given by the people? The successful person was in the right place in the right time. That's why he got the success. They said. It is a historical aspects, historical books information. If we search historical movements, you may gather these all type of things also. Understand this. Let me share someone's life history with you. Here the writer also asked me to share someone's life. What is the life? Let us see. This was a man. He is a man who failed in business at age 21, was defeated in a legislative race at age 22, failed again in business at age 24, overcame the death of his sweetheart at age 26, had a nervous breakdown at age 27, lost a congressional race at age 34, lost a senatorial race at age 45, failed in an effort to become vice president at age 47, lost a senatorial race at age 49, and was elected president of the United States at age 52. These are how many times? Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 times he failed. Who is he? Abraham Lincoln. This man was Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was failed more than 9 times. The 10th time he also elected as a president of United States of America. See, ages wise he has given the ages wise. See, at the age of 21, he also failed in business. At the age of 22, he also failed. He lost the legislative race. Legislative race. What is the meaning of the legislative race? Judicial, legal activities, legal movements according to the law. He did not get any justice in that country. And at the age of 24, he also again failed in business. And at the age of 26, he also, when he failed in business, automatically he also depressed. Sometimes, that means at the age of 25, he did not do any work. At that time, he also severely thought of his work. That's why he also affected with some other activities. Then he also lost his sweetheart. What is the meaning of the sweetheart? Sweetheart is called maybe a girlfriend, maybe a wife, but it is a wife. Because at the age of 26, 24, when he failed in business, he was not got any marriage. So we should consider this sweetheart is a girlfriend. He lost his girlfriend. When he lost a girlfriend, then in 27 years, he also nervously break down. At the age of 27, what happened for his career? He also nervously break down. So at the age of 34, he also participated in congressional race, then he failed. And at the age of 35, he also participated in senatorial race, then he failed. At the age of 47, he also participated in vice president of elections, then he also failed in that case. At the age of 49, he also participated in senatorial race, then he failed. Even he got many failures in his career, year after year. And he tried again and again. Finally, at the age of 52, he elected president of the USA, US, United States. And do you consider him as a failure? Understand? If you fail one time, what about the attitude do you show? If you fail two times, do you try? The same question is raised by Nick in the first lesson. Nick also raised the question, my dear students, my dear people, if we fail once, if we fail twice, if we fail thrice, do you try again to get the success again and again? These are motivational words which are given by Nick. In this lesson also, we got the more information about Abraham Lincoln. He started his journey at the age of 20 years. He started his journey at the age of 20 years. 20 years. What is your plan? What about your life? What about the time? What type of the thoughts you have for your career? How do you want to see your life? Do you want to get the failure? According to Watson's senior words, or do you want to get the only success? According to your ideas. But Tom Watson senior says, if you wanted to get the success, compulsory, the person who wanted to get the success surely double the failure rate. So, did Abraham Lincoln listen to Watson's words to double the failure rate? No. He planned for his career, and 2 times he failed in business. 2 times he failed in senatorial race. At the age of 45, at the age of 39, he also failed in senatorial race. At the age of 21, at the age of 24, he failed in business. But when he lost his sweetheart, maybe his girlfriend, then he also depressed and he failed in nervous breakdown. Nervous breakdown he is called, deeply depressed. He also disowned everything. He also left everything. He also felt that he wouldn't have any support from the people. Understand it? So, this is the life of Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln, even though he failed many times, more than 8, more than 7, even though he failed 9 times, in the 10th time he tried again and again to become a president or vice president or senatorial, one of the parties, board member in that parties or in that races. Then at the time, finally he also succeeded his success, he also got the victory. Dear students, you too work hard, get the success. The people see only one side coin. Maybe the people see head or else that trust. But they wouldn't see your hard work. They wouldn't see your effort. How much time do you spend with your books? How you got the victory? They wouldn't see. But they also hiccup everything. One day, definitely, when you succeed in your success, at that time, they will also praise you so much due to your work. But they wouldn't see your hard work, but they will see your victory. Then they will say about you as a great personality. It is a great personality. The secret, what is the secret of Abraham Lincoln, do you know? To get the President of America? The secret is, even though he failed many times in various aspects, he showed his positive thoughts, he showed his positive movements, he showed his positive mindset. He also arranged the mindset as a positively. That's why he became a president of America. Did you learn anything from this story? Did you learn anything from Abraham Lincoln? He is the first character. This character is given in our second lesson. He is not a failure. At present, many people say many motivational things, many motivational stories about Abraham Lincoln. Because at the beginning, many people laughed, humiliated him. They laughed at him. They also humiliated him. But at present, he is a lesson for us. He stood up his life. He also showed his life to us as one lesson. We learned so many things. If you lost anything in our life, definitely next time better to try again. Surely we will get the best thing in our life. It's a very, very important. And these are failures of Abraham Lincoln. But now the people did not call him as a failure. The people called him as success. Success is Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln is success. We may learn these all ones. Would you call him a failure? He could have it. He stopped everything. When he is called stop. But to Lincoln, defeat was a detour. Defeat was detour. What meaning of detour? Detour is starting. Not there is an ending. Starting. His failure is his defeat is his detour. A detour. And not a dead end. It is a detour, but it's not a dead for stop his work. If Abraham Lincoln is not alive, his thoughts, his positiveness, his positive thoughts, his positive thinking, everything is rising in the people's mind. Understand this one. This is the main concept according to our. Every success story is also a story of great failures. Have you understood? Friends. Students, let us see the next paragraph. Page number 14. In 1913, Lady Forrest, the inventor of the triodes tube, was charged by the district attorney for using fraudulent means to mislead the public into buying stocks of his company by claiming that he could transmit the human voice across the Atlantic. He was publicly humiliated. Can you imagine where we would be without his invention? It is a paragraph. Let us see some information about the second person, Lady Forrest. Who is the second person? Lady Forrest. So here, up to now, we learned about the great personality. Who is the first great personality according to our lesson? Yes, Abraham Lincoln. So the second person is Lady Forrest. Understand it. Lady Forrest also great worker, great inventor. He invented the triodes tube. What did he invent here? Triodes tube. What is the date of this triodes tube? Triodes tube is used by the people to show the voice towards the people. So it is a great work. Without his invention, the people could not transform the words of human voice towards the other people. So it is a very great work. He created that. But what happened is he was charged by the district attorney, district authorized person. Attorney is called authorized person. In the district wise, the political people also objected him. Not directly, indirectly they objected him. for using fraudulent means to mislead the public into buying stocks of his company by claiming that he would transmit the human voice across the Atlantic. To produce his voice towards the Atlantic, he also made the stewards too. Illegally, he also invented this tool to the people. Like that, they also motivated the people. The attorneys also motivated the people, and they also objected the people not to buy the stock. And his company is also closed sometimes because they also objected him. They also stopped his work. They also give any permission for him. Because if the attorneys accepted his work, what happened? His greatness is rising. The people also said about him, about Reed Forrest, as a great personality. That's why they objected. Due to this reason, they also objected him. Because of these reasons. And they also objected because they wanted to see him normal person, not a great person. That's it. He was publicly humiliated, and they also called him public place, and they also ashamed him, made him shame. And can you imagine where we would be without his invention? Can we understand any more thing? Without his invention, do we survive in the society? Understand this one. Here, these are very, very important. These are all ones. Here, fraudulent meaning and charged meaning, as well as humiliated meaning. Let us see some meanings through these ones. Here, understand this one. Let us see what we learned up to now from these all paragraphs, 2 or 3 paragraphs. The meanings, I will give you some meanings. You should understand it here. Let us see. Okay, students, let's see some meanings from this part. Which part is completed up to now? Let us see. Here, according to the meanings, highway, the first paragraph in the first paragraph, failure is the highway to success. In that part, highway word is given. So, according to that word, highway meaning is right way, exact key to get the success. What is the key according to that one lesson? Failure is the key. Okay, double word is given. Double your failure rate, as the title says. So, double is called multiply. Multiply your failure, then automatically you may increase your success rate. And picture word is given in the second paragraph. So picture is called work. And business word is given. The business word is commercial. A legislative word is given. That means in judicial stage. That means legal stages. And power came. Meaning is control. The people control the particular personality. Then power came is called control. And sweetheart, it means is girlfriend. Abraham Lincoln has a girlfriend, so he also lost a girlfriend. Then he also included as a sweetheart. And breakdown, nervously breakdown, depression, or spoil or disaster. He got the disaster moment at that time. And he got his girlfriend, then he also got the disaster. And elected meaning is selected by the people. Elected is called selected by the people as the president of America. And defeated is called failed. Defeated is called failed. Defeat, failed. And defeated, V2 verb. Defeat is a V1 verb. And failed, V1 verb. Failed is a V2 verb. So let us see. And here, fit is called stop. Everything else stopped the work. Every one word also stopped when he showed his greatness, when he became a great president of America. Then detour. Detour meaning is a road, highway or a route. It is a short route or else the Longwood here. Fraudulent meaning is dishonest and illegal. So according to the Lady Forest, he got the some problematical things according to his invention. In that case, he also many attorneys and district attorneys also worked so much against him at the time. They also planned, they also showed that dishonest or illegal things in his work, and they objected him. So publicly, the opposite is privately. Publicly opposite is privately. Publicly, not secretly. Okay, meaning is not secretly. So here humiliated, blamed or else insulted. Humiliate, blame or insult. And invent, discover and charge, to accuse somebody formally of a crime. To accuse somebody, district attorneys also accuse something on Lady Forest to control him his work especially. And district attorneys, attorney is called a lawyer who worked as a district wise. A lawyer also worked who is responsible for bringing criminal to charge against somebody. He also found, district attorney also found Lady Forest as a fraudulent one and at the time they also objected his work. It is a very essential meanings these are, and get the idea according to these ones. Okay, here according to this one let us see, these all meanings are very important according to this paragraph.